How to track your tax refund like a pro. Picture this: you filed your taxes, dreaming of that glorious refund hitting your account. Maybe you're planning a mini vacation, upgrading your gadgets, or just paying some bills. But then, silence. Days pass, and no refund in sight. The waiting game is real. But don't worry! Today, I'll show you how to track your tax refund step by step, so you can stop guessing and start celebrating when it arrives. Stick around because, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly where your refund is and what to do if it's delayed. Step 1. Know the processing time. Before we get into tracking, let's set some realistic expectations. Tax refunds don't magically appear overnight, unfortunately. Here's a general timeline. E-filing, refunds usually arrive within 21 days if you chose direct deposit. Paper filing, expect to wait 6 to 8 weeks, yep, patience required. Special cases, if your return has errors or requires additional review, expect delays. So, if it's been only a few days since you filed, take a deep breath. Step 2. Use the IRS Where's My Refund tool. Now, let's get to the good part, tracking. The IRS Where's My Refund tool is your best friend. Here's how to use it. 1. Go to irs.gov and click on Where's My Refund? 2. Enter your details. Social Security number, SSN. Filing status, single, married, head of household, etc. Exact refund amount, check your tax return for this. 3. Hit submit and check your status. The tool will show one of 3 statuses. Return received, the IRS got your return, but it's still being processed. And refund approved, it's coming soon. The IRS has confirmed your refund. Refund sent, it's on its way. Check your bank account or mailbox. Step 3. Check your bank and IRS To Go app. Pro tip: if your refund is sent, but you don't see it, check your bank account. Sometimes banks take a few days to process deposits. On the go? Download the IRS To Go app on your phone for real-time tracking. Step 4. Common reasons for delays and how to fix them. Nobody likes delays, but sometimes things happen. Here are common reasons your refund might be stuck and what to do. Incorrect info on your tax return? Double-check for typos in your SSN, bank details, or income info. You claimed certain credits? Refunds involving the Earned Income Tax Credit, EITC, or Additional Child Tax Credit, ACTC, take longer, usually mid-February or later. You owe back taxes or debts? If you owe child support, student loans, or back taxes, your refund may be reduced or withheld. Check the IRS notice for details. Fraud checks? The IRS may flag returns for potential identity theft. If this happens, they'll send you a letter, Form 5071C, for verification. If it's been more than 21 days and no refund, call the IRS refund hotline at 1-800-829-1954. Be ready with your SSN and tax details. Comment below, how are you spending your tax refund this year? Saving? Shopping? Investing? Let's hear your plans. If this guide is helping you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Your support helps me create more helpful content for you. Step 5. What if your refund is lost or stolen? If your refund says sent but never arrived, direct deposit issue? Call your bank. Paper check lost? Request a refund trace by calling the IRS or filing Form 3911. Possible identity theft? Contact the IRS Identity Protection Unit ASAP. Final thoughts: stay in control. Now, you know exactly how to track your tax refund like a pro. No more endless waiting, no more guessing. Check processing times and use IRS tracking tools to understand delays and solutions, and take action if needed. Final challenge: share this with someone who's waiting for their refund, too. You might just save them from unnecessary stress. Subscribe for more finance tips. See you in the next one.